Hi, I'm Sylvia Critcher, and today I'm going to talk to you about a technique called stitch and flip. I think it has other names as well, but it's one that I've always known it by. And the two quilts you see in front of me here, this particular purpley one and the brown one, are both done by the same technique. It's very, very simple, and for those of you who've got masses and masses of fabric and all those fat quarters that you hate, this is the time to use them up. These are two of the quilts that I've been using we're making these for heroes quilts for the young soldiers. So they're in quite dark but bright colours, and trying to push them towards slightly masculine tones as opposed to feminine, pretty flowers and pretty birds and hearts and things. So it's very, very easy to do. This is the block that you make, and if you look at the quilt here, this is where it sits.